going on, y'all? What is up? What is up? What is up? Yeah, as you guys can see, my big ass is drowned in a bunch of great, magnificent Neca action figures right here. Oh my gosh, I've been so addicted to these action figures. What is up to the people at Neca? Now, the other day that I showed you guys, I had, recently went to Target and picked this up right there, Aliens as well. This is the future Predator right here, Fugitive Predator from the movie right here. The other day I went to go pick up the IHOB, the AHOB Predator as well. But yeah. The movie is finally releasing on 4K and also Blu-ray. We ain't talking about no DVD. We're talking about 4K and Blu-ray. So make sure you guys go pick up the new Halloween movie to bring it home on January 15th. You guys already know that Halloween is my most favoriteest franchise. As you guys get right here, oh my gosh, this is looking very, very nice. Look at that, really close up. You get a flickering pumpkin right there. Also, you get an extra Micheal Myers head. You get the pumpkin head that Micheal Myers carved. Hopefully, down the line, y'all, they will actually release the porch. That way, Michael can stand on it with the flickering pumpkin as well. So yeah, let's take Micheal Myers slowly up out of here. And like I said, they went out of the park with this Micheal Myers because, let me show you guys again. Look at that right there. Oh my gosh. They got him all strapped in there. Don't want him to get out because this thing may, come alive like a Chucky doll or something. Right here. Judith Myers, born November 1947, died October 31st, 1963 right there. The Judith Myers tombstone. Got going on with this flickering pumpkin. Okay, so basically it's got a tab on the back and you take it out and let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, it's flickering. Y'all see that right there? That is cool. Oh my gosh. I have never seen daggone Neca do anything this cool. Oh my gosh, this is very, very nice. Micheal Myers head right there. So this is basically, his eye right here missing. I've been waiting to escape this long out of this box. Oh my gosh, this is looking very, very nice. Look at that right there. Look at this Micheal Myers right here. Oh my gosh, look at him, look at him. Look at this big old tombstone, say our beloved daughter Judith Myers right there. All the accessories that you get an extra head, you get the human carved face, pumpkin face right there. You get the flickering pumpkin. That is pretty cool. Oh my gosh. You get 2 sets of hands right there. Also, you get the stuff that he used in the movie right there. You get the hammer. You get the signature kitchen steak knife right there, with butcher knife. And also you get the chimney pick right there. Oh my gosh, this thing is looking nice. Oh, he's ready for another sequel, y'all. For about 2 more movies of the 2019 Halloween movie coming. I know it's coming. They have to do it. Look at this right there. Signature style Micheal Myers outfit right here. Oh my gosh, look at this knife. Woo, this thing is nice. Let's give you guys a more close up right here. Michael, I ain't trying to look at your booty, bro. No homo, bro. Whoa, my gosh, y'all, look at this. Look at this right here. Now, he's like very, very well, kind of stiff. I mean, he has some kind of articulations going on, but that's pretty cool because I don't think Micheal Myers really need that much movement because, he's more of a, stealthy type of, stiff character that just stands and waiting for his next victim. Oh gosh, this thing is lovely, y'all. The Micheal Myers final product right here on the Straight Up Reviews channel right there. Oh shoot, this thing is lovely. Dang, look at it right there with the flickering pumpkin. That is nice. Neca, that is a masterpiece right there. Look at the pumpkin head right there. Oh, shoot. Dang. And like I said, y'all, make sure you guys also go pick up the new Halloween Micheal Myers by Neca figure. It's out right now, and it's very, very lovely. Oh my gosh.